Hi, it's a super quick video. I just wanted to point out that I'm putting this writing log in your resources for week 1. And I'll put my video, this video that you're watching, if you're watching it, right above this reading log. Here's the deal. You need to read and you need to take notes on it. So for me, I would print out everything and then put notes on it. If you bought the book, put notes on it. They'll give you the same amount of money back whether you write on it or don't write on it. But if you put notes on it, you'll be able to use it easier for writing papers later. And that's what we're doing with these things. So please, put notes on it. But here's another idea. If you click on this, move it over here, it's just a place for you to keep a running log of the things you're reading. So to use this, you'd have to go up to File, slide down to Make a Copy, wherever Make a Copy is, there it is, make a copy, and then rename it whatever you want. So then you can type on it and do whatever you want. But what this is I just put down the first few people we'll read, but we're going to read a lot of people. So you're going to have like 15 entries on here, and it gets confusing. So you can write down what each one discusses. Like Samuelson discusses liberal arts classes help people in the long run be deeper thinkers, problem solvers, leaders instead of followers. He has a lot of other stuff in there too. And then for people he would connect with, I could write down, I think he'll connect with Frere. He would connect with Robinson in the way that he talks about aesthetic experience. He would maybe go with Tag. There's a lot of people he might go with. We have to look again. But this is off the top of my head doing a quick video, and I don't even want it to be long. So anyway, just so you know, get this out of the way. There's a reading log spot here that you could use. You could use anything you want. But here's one for you. If you want to use it, it's here. Just for you. Okay, there, I'm done.